How to delete Facebook blocked list permanently without unblocking. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner and then tap on the gear icon. As you do that, scroll down and as you see the option of blocking over here, so tap on it. So here you can see all the people that you have blocked, but now you want to delete this blocked list but you do not want to unblock any of these people. So what we can simply do is go back and tap on help and support over here. As you do that, tap on report a problem and it says you need to shake your phone in order to report a problem. So just tap on OK, go back to your blocking options over here, and as you tap on blocking, you can just shake your phone now. Now as you shake your phone, you can just go back and tap on report a problem again. Tap on OK. And then tap on report problem. As you tap on report problem, tap on include and you'll be able to see the attachment over here. Now the attachment is wrong right now over here, but you can just go to the blocking list and shake your phone and you'll get the attachment over there. Now in order to describe the issue, just mention hello Facebook team, I want to remove all the blocked listed people but do not want to unblock them. As you do that, you can just send this report and then you'll be able to see that the Facebook team will contact you within 24 hours and you'll be able to delete the Facebook blocked list permanently without unblocking them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.